This town, surrounded by fields and mountains, is an ideal destination for a laid-back and pleasant travel experience. This landmark has beautifully captured the essence and beauty of this humble municipality. And as it grows in the heart of the town where people with different walks of life share spaces with delight, the quality wines extracted from the seasonal fruit duhat is starting to be widely recognized by bigger consumers. Couple of houses from the 1930s graciously stood the test of time. In this glorious mountain, stay in touch with your mind, search your purpose, and find life's meaning.
Bring it up.
I am Roy, your travel hotshot. Join me as we discover the only town in the province named after a hero. Dito sa Ganda Mo, Pangasinan.